Welcome to this tutorial on why use Betterment Performance Report. As an investor, it is essential to track and evaluate the performance of your investments to make informed decisions. Betterment is a popular investment platform that provides a comprehensive performance report to help you do just that. First, let's start with the basics. The performance report is a detailed analysis of your investment portfolio, showcasing its returns, fees, and overall performance. This report is crucial in understanding how your investments are doing and identifying areas for improvement. To access the performance report, simply log into your Betterment account and navigate to the Portfolio section. From there, you can view your performance report, which is updated in real time to reflect the current market conditions. The report provides a clear and concise overview of your portfolio's performance, including the total return, which is the change in value of your investments over a specific period. You can also view the returns of each individual asset class, such as stocks or bonds, to see how they are contributing to your overall portfolio performance. One of the key benefits of the Betterment Performance Report is that it helps you evaluate the effectiveness of your investment strategy. By analyzing the report, you can identify areas where you may need to adjust your portfolio to optimize its performance. For example, if you notice that your portfolio is underperforming compared to the market, you may want to consider rebalancing your assets or exploring alternative investment options. Another important aspect of the performance report is that it provides transparency into the fees associated with your investments. Betterment is known for its low fees, and the report clearly outlines the costs of investing with the platform. This information is essential in understanding the true cost of your investments and making informed decisions about your portfolio. In addition to the performance report, Betterment also provides personalized recommendations to help you improve your investment strategy based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. The platform suggests adjustments to your portfolio to optimize its performance. To get the most out of the performance report, it's essential to review it regularly and make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay on track with your investment goals and ensure that your portfolio is aligned with your overall financial objectives. In conclusion, the Betterment Performance Report is a valuable tool for investors who want to track and evaluate the performance of their investments. By providing a clear and concise overview of your portfolio's performance, the report helps you make informed decisions and optimize your investment strategy. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the Betterment Performance Report is an essential resource for achieving your long-term financial goals.